Hello and welcome to an Oregano Systems tutorial. Today we want to show you how to install the driver in Windows for your syn1588 PCI Express Network interface card after installing the card into your PC or server. In our tutorial we use Windows 10 64-bit as operating system. Okay, let's start. If not already prompted by Windows to install a new device, simply browse to the control panel and open the Device Manager. Select the new device, which may be listed as Unknown Device or in section Other Devices as Ethernet Controller. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for driver software and navigate to the syn1588.inf file, located on the wooden USB stick which was delivered together with your syn1588 PCI Express Network interface card in the Device Drive folder, SW Driver, Windows. Click OK and then click Next. And if you were asked if you would like to install this device software, accept this by clicking the Install button. After successful installation, you should receive a message that Windows has updated your driver successfully. Close this window and you will see that the syn1588 PCI Express Network interface card is now listed in the section Network Adapters. For troubleshooting or further information, please refer to the syn1588 User Guide Chapter 4.4.2, Windows OS. The syn1588 User Guide document is also provided on the wooden USB stick in the folder Doc. Thank you very much for watching Oregano Systems tutorials.